Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change icon size on your XIAOMI 15T. So let's go to settings, and you have to scroll until you see Personalization Section, and here let's go to icons. So here you can see slider on your screen, and you have to drag it to the left to make the size of the application smaller, or to the right to make them larger. And as you can see here, you have preview to see how they will look on your home screen, and when you're satisfied, the changes should apply automatically. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.